All right, it's 6 o'clock. Boom. So knowing what we know, price is closer to the gap. Price also has to go past the 25 extension after rejecting the 50 and the 38 on this bullish trend. So, I mean, I'm going to clear up all this noise. I mean, I can keep the fib. Mess me up. All right, so boom. Just keep it there. All right, so boom. We get into Thursday. It's 6 o'clock. We have a 1 hour order block getting rejected. That's a good sign for buys, right? Low of the day is already being left. And then we can also, the previous day high was already ran. So we'll be mindful of that. But I know price isn't going to really want to come below this 50 point unless we're not bullish, right? So 6 o'clock. See what 7 does. Okay. Bullish. Break it down a little bit more. Well, for one, let me see. We also had this was a super gappy candle. 1, 2, 3. Well, it wouldn't matter then. So we just keep on playing along. Let's go down to the 30. All right, 730 candle. See what we get. Okay, boom. So now we have actually a double rejection off that 1 hour, and if we use this 30 minutes, rejecting that too. We're near the previous day high. Also, it's the high today here. So the high today, the low today. I kind of get confused because when I put the high today there, I know we're bullish. It makes me look at the market bearish. So that's why I don't really like using high today, low today too much. But it's very key to know how price wants to bounce around first, so you know when price is going to shoot up. So as we know, before the 25 extension is here, we're at the low today. We're bullish. We have this gap. It is right here. It's not even more than 200 points away now. Price could capitalize and go ahead and flush through this gap. But from my memory, it didn't happen on Thursday. It happened on Friday. But for the video, we're looking for it to fill on this Thursday. So let's just see what happens. It's 8 o'clock. These order blocks are a little funny. Like this thick ass order block is a little funny. Wasn't enough bullish momentum first. Look at the 15-minute order block. You got 1, 2, 3 rejections, even 4. And then you got another one right here that was printed at 7:30. So you can mark them both up. Right, just in case price wants to do something extravagant. And let's look at the 5-minute. 5-minute is this here. We have a lot of bullish momentum, printing candles, right? But we want to make sure we're getting in off a good rejection, no bullshit rejection. So I'm going to be looking at this 5 minutes specifically. If it misses by a hair, then I know it's that 15-minute block. Let's get the open. All right, boom. Price closing between here. This is not valid. That's not valid for a 5-minute order block. See what it does with this 15-minute order block. Rejects it. Boom. Rejects it. Boom. Get the entry. Here. Here. Near the low of the day. It's really choppy. But we're targeting high today was up here. We also have areas of buy side liquidity, stretching all the way. Got that level 1, got that level 2. Yeah, let's see what it does. Also, we got this 25% extension from what we've seen from the previous bullish moves, and let's just go. We're in. Did I even hit? I didn't even hit buy. Let's hit the buy. Let's have the stops all the way down here, which is within the 1 hour order block. And yeah, set our TP up here, stop loss down here. We'll just press play, see what happens. Boom. Damn, that was fast. Holy shit. Can I run that back? Damn. I wanted to run that. I really wanted to run that back. Oh my goodness. Let me run that back. Let me run that back. Oh, I didn't want to close it. God damn it. I don't want to close it. Shit. Oh, I didn't want to close that. Oh, did I cook it? I don't know if I cooked it. Jump to real time chart. I didn't want to do that. Okay, wait. Select the bar. Take me off. Did it already cook me? Oh, it cooked me. Oh, it cooked me. Where are we at? It cooked me. Oh, I'm so sorry. Am I gonna be able to get back to it the way I was at it? Damn. Okay, 1 hour. I think I got to it on the money. I'm in 5. It was on the 5 minute. Okay, boom. Yo, I made it back. I made it back by the grace of the Most High. All right. Damn, I want to run that. Let's run that back. It was in the buy. Play. Oh, yeah, TP was already smacked. TP already smacked. And the 25-point extension was a perfect TP for it, right? What happens after that 25% extension? Somebody could be greedy holding it. It's about to close the gap today. Nope. Price flew down. But that 25% was good to keep there. And that's the thing too. I'm getting better with tracking where the market is at certain times of the week and understanding on a bigger time frame what has to happen. So on the smaller time frame, we're not getting put in a frenzy. Because this right here, this whole move right here could put you in a blender. But us knowing how price rejected the 50%, price rejected that 50% 3 times, right? Price rejected this 3 times. We know that price wants to go for this 25-point extension, which it touched 20 on the next day. You know what I'm saying? So Tuesday, let's run this back. Tuesday, previous day low to previous day high. It's a Wednesday, price retraced to these levels before pumping up, going into the Thursday to fulfill that 25% before then dropping down. Right? Boom. This is a beautiful week, but it takes a lot of work and it takes repetitiveness of getting the entry at the right time, not jumping the gun. And that's easier to do, you know, back testing. But when you're in the real time, how do you know to sit on your hands? Okay. It's a pretty long video, but y'all bearing with me. You know, price is doing its own little crazy thing. All right. We are now into Friday. End of the week, the final trade of the week. We have traded 3 days out of the 4, skipping Wednesday. And we are now ready to end the week. Now, we are now at the gap of doom. It has been rejected once, right at the end of Thursday. And Friday is where the make or break happens. Friday, if there's something gappy in the market, if there's some inefficiency in the market, Friday is going to be the day that price finally acts on it. Okay, so boom, we go on to Friday, immediately starts eating up the candle. Right, immediately starts feeding in. We are at, let's go to 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock, boom, we're here. So now things are starting to look a little more pretty. We are, let's see, we are pretty much at the fill of the gap of doom. Got to be careful here. Now we can look to the left and see what is before us. So beyond the gap of doom, because we need to print 100 points, we see that there is some stop loss. Buy side liquidity resting above. All right. Let me just kind of mark that out so it all looks good and pretty. Buy side liquidity. Price is failing to swing lower. So that's looking like that. That is a pretty good looking trend line there. So I'm saying I don't use it every day, but I have to use it when it's beneficial to the situation. And it's hard to do. This is hard to do. All of this right here took me a long time to learn, but it's okay. It's okay. Price is rejecting this order block here. Drag it. Okay. It is 7 o'clock. We are looking for a price to finally take this gap. Okay. 7:30. This 30-minute order block being rejected multiple times. Price could very well take off right here. Price can come down and squeeze through this first. We've already went past the previous day high. Previous day low is way down here. No need to mark that. Let's go up 30 minutes. All right, 30 minutes. Price is closing at this 30-minute order block again. 8 o'clock. Let's go down to the 15, see if it disrespected it. Now it's disrespecting this order block and this order block. So now these are both non-valid. Mind you, this is in real time. So as I'm doing the back testing, I'm putting down the order blocks before to see if they will work or if they don't. So now we're at 8:15. Now we have, this is the 1 hour order block, correct? 1 hour for before. Now, we also have this 15-minute order block printing here that it seemed to reject. But we're not bullish. We're not looking for the bearish play, but this is how they just start manipulating the brain. So you come in here looking at this. You're seeing this. You know you're at the gap. You got the 50% extension up there for is like fully finishing the move. Okay. 5 minute. Okay. Have this 5 minute order block here. You have to give yourself all the opportunities and all the chances. All right? All the opportunities and all the chances. So 5 minute order block, bullish. 1 hour order block, bullish. The 1 hour and the 5 minute love to tag team each other. So when they both line up, there's a high chance that price can reject at this 5 minute. Or price can come through. We gotta wait till 9. It makes another candle and then rejects at 1 hour. So let's just see what happens. Let's go. Boom. What did I tell y'all? 5 minute order block. Immediately prints crazy numbers. Crazy numbers. All I need is 100 points. Down here is a perfect entry to get 100 points to fill up this gap of doom. The rest is for the birds. That's just too far. That's too far. But for the sake of the video, let's go ahead and get the buy. TP here. Stop loss is down here. Beyond the 1 hour. Oh, wait, down. See? The good stop loss, I mean, the stop loss could be 35 points. But for the sake of my strategy, I always risk 50. right? But your real stop loss could be below these lows at the resting 1 hour order block, or a little bit below. All right, press play, let's keep it going. All right, trying to see what else is happening. You see that? Okay, boom. If I'm looking at this right here, boom, smacked. Okay, smacked. So, and this is a good video for me to make. So I know what I need to look for. I know what I need to enter. I know where my risk tolerance should be. I know where the market is at all times. Right? Gap of doom failed. It's gone now. Finally, it's finally gone. Let me make this a little bit lighter. Gap of doom taken out at 50% level, demolished. Now everything else is to the wind. Just play it for fun. Look at that. It's gone. It's gone to the wind. Gone to the wind. Comes back down. Trading day is well beyond over. Price went to a grand total of 196 points. That's for the long hold. That is trailing the stop loss. That is, trail the trade. You're up 100. It comes all the way up here. It rejects down here at 100 points. Now, this is free money. You just keep following it, keep following it, keep following it. Boom, boom, boom. Yada, yada. Splendid week. That was a splendid week for me to back test. Did it live on video. It's 50 minutes. This is what a back testing session looks like, honestly. This back testing session shows a strategy that I'm going to be using to make money in the markets. This is a W video, W execution. This is my first back testing video. This takes a long time. I don't know if I should break it up in half, or y'all want the full hour vid. I'm gonna figure it out, but I might just break it in half. And yeah, we're gonna do that. So yeah. Now, with that being said, I would never. I mean, this is perspective. 67,000 in a week seems pretty good to me. That's where we want to get to. That's the level, right? So, yeah. I mean, some important things to point out, though, realistically speaking. Me just going through the process of me knowing how candles will close and how candles will open. I know if the 1 hour has been rejected, right? And then every time frame leading up to the open is dog shit. We're gonna wait for that 5-minute order block, because the 1 hour and that 5 minute pretty much brother and sister. So that's why I was saying that it's a good chance that price can reject at the 5 minutes to go ahead and rip off. And that's exactly what happened. So I'm gonna put that in my notes too. Let me run that back. So yeah. I want to take a main. I want to get emphasis on the 1 hour order block and 5 minute order block. So select the bar, just run that back. In. This candle doesn't matter. We were looking for the buys anyway. This doesn't matter. We're looking for buys anyway. But so you got multiple confluences here. I ain't even put the low of the day or the high day here. This is straight pure price action. So yeah, I mean, this is just good stuff to know, 1 hour and the 5 minute. That's all you need to know that trend is in your favor. And yeah, fell swing lines. Price did not close below that fell swing line at all. I knew it was a clean one. The 1 hour order block, the 5 minute order block, the gap of doom, 50% extension that price wants to go up and hit right here from the fib in the middle of the week from Wednesday and Tuesday. Big long-term frame move. Friday was the day that they decided to pull the trigger. They pretty much used this big, like this whole week, this whole fall. Damn, my bad. Damn. Oh, yeah. This whole falling move, right? Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday was one big correction from the gap of doom that was placed on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, to fill the order block and to continue eventually to drop again and do it again. Look at this. Look at this gap. Look at the gap of doom. Look at another gap of doom. What is price going to do? Fill it the next day. See, this took a whole week. This took a whole week, but this gap was filled in what? A day. So use that gap of doom to your advantage when it comes to spotting holes in the market. They're gonna get filled. They're gonna get filled. But price, it just does what it do. It's a whole nother week. And then by the end of this week, what's Friday gonna do? What's Friday gonna do? Didn't break this high over here. What it does next Friday? Okay, it still didn't break no high. I thought it was gonna break the high. Didn't do it. But just see how, like, understanding the market movements and things that happen, they just set yourself up to just continue on. But you see, after price did its mission, what was the main mission for this week? Fill the gap. After it filled the gap, what did it do? The market closed, falling, open, falling. Like, it's crazy. Like, this whole week setup was just for this. And as soon as it got what it wanted, douche. So at the end of the day, know what price is going for. It'll help you out. Use the fib long term to understand big moves and possibly show you what's going to happen for the rest of the week. You know, because that was really helpful. You know, previous day highs and previous day lows are good when price is super trendy. Just creating new highs and new lows. Previous day highs is good to mark up. You got the low today, the high today to kind of just know where you want to take your buys, your sells, bell swing lines with the order blocks, with the anything involving liquidity is going to give you more than enough. I don't want to ramble too much. This video has been going for 56 minutes. Chop it up. This is the inner work. This is the work that I was talking about in the last video. You got to put in that work to understand what's going on so you can be the best trader possible. Okay. Scratch trader, $67,000, 100% win rate. The best trader is 30K. It's not real. It's just what's possible. It's not real, but it's what's possible. It could be possible. This could be real. This could be bigger than this. You know what I'm saying? I learned a lot from just doing this video. More confidence with my trading skills. More confidence in doing what I know and showing what I know. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. This is gonna be a good one. This is a good one. This is a good one. This is my first time doing a video for back testing, and it was a great week to back test. And I put together all my knowledge to smack 100% win rate for a week. So if we can't do it, if we can do it here, we can do it live. That's the hard part. Doing it live, knowing all the information, you know, everything I explained to y'all in this hour vid, which I'm probably gonna chop up. Doing this on a daily basis, repetition. But yeah, that's it for this video. If you made it to the end, I appreciate you. This is probably gonna be part 2. If not, if I give you the whole thing, I'll give you the whole thing. Keep God first, man. Keep grinding and growing. Put in the work. I'm putting in the work. I'm showing my vulnerability and being open with my journey, being open with my knowledge of the market. And we are going to get funded in 2025. We're going to get a payout in 2025. If I get a payout by my birthday, that's That's really one of my goals, get a payout by my birthday. That's one of my biggest goals of the year. And we're gonna get to it. We're just gonna keep working, gonna do the right things, get those wins big, keep those L's small, and we're gonna rock out, man. If you're new to the channel, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button for more content like this. Follow the Instagrams, follow my personal and my Instagram, my trading Instagram. I'm gonna try to be more active on my trading Instagram for y'all. But if you really want to see where I'm at, my main Instagram at RUCCI VQ _. I am a car guy, and that's where my personal life is. Feel free to follow that. Feel free to message me. Yeah, man. With that being said, that's it for this video, man. Keep God first, keep grinding going, and until next time, peace.